Hi guys, in this video I will explain to you how to make an electric taser at home and in an easy way. All we will need are a 3.7 volt battery. I got these two batteries from the laptop's battery. 2 screws, a closed tube that we will need as a container, this circuit which we will use to recharge the battery, and we will need this device, the later which will play a very important role that can be summarized in the voltage transformation from 3.7 volt to 600 kilovolt, so pay attention when you are using it. If you want to buy this device, I will leave you in the description the link to the seller website. Then we will need a button where we should link two cables like this. First of all, we link this cable of the button and this other cable in the positive pole of the battery, and two other cables in the negative pole of the battery. Then we take this powerful device and we link its positive cable with the other side of the button, and we link the negative cable with the negative cable of the battery. Now you see that it's working well. Then we should make two holes in the closed tube in order to glue the circuit here, and we should put the battery in the closed tube. Then we should link the two screws with the two remaining cables of the device this way, and we should make a stopper for our container this way. After that, we put all of this in our closed tube. Now our device is operational. Don't forget guys to like and share the video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in a new video.